Hello, I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I believe that everyone can create their own ethical, sustainable, affordable style, because being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
My biggest tip to get started refashioning and upcycling is to just go for it. Grab a garment that you really don't care about anymore, scissors, bleach, dye, needle and thread paint, whatever you have, and just go for it. Seriously, use what you already have on hand. I made this out of an old skirt and bath puffs. And who cares if you can't sew? Chopped up tees are awesome, and a frumpy dress cut in half makes a cool top. Distress your jeans with a scissors and a bleach, and then create some awesome accessories for yourself from the chopped hems. Embellish boring items with scarves and fabric scraps. Upsize tight garments with side panels. La la! Add anything you want to create your own unique style. Make an adorable dress out of a man's shirt and bed sheets. Don't be afraid to paint your shoes. A fur hat easily transforms into a funky purse. For more upcycling tips and tricks, check me out at Refashionista Sherry. And for all of my step-by-step upcycling and refashioning tutorials, visit refashionistasherry.com.